case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a compelling legal battle, Elliot Kaplan brought a case against Mayo Clinic in 2013, which was heard by the United States District Court for the District of Minnesota. The case, titled Kaplan v. Mayo Clinic, involved a surgery performed on Kaplan for pancreatic cancer, a condition he ultimately did not have. The ramifications of this case put a spotlight on Minnesota case law, where damages for emotional distress are typically considered outside the scope of all contracts. This focus on the principle of contract law, which only awards damages foreseeable at the time of breach, was tested in the courtroom. Damages for pain, suffering, and emotional distress are typically only awarded for successful tort claims, unless a contract specifically addresses these types of damages. Caught at the center of the case were Mayo Clinic, Dr. David Nagorny, and Dr. Lawrence J. Burgert, who faced a lawsuit from Elliot Kaplan and his wife, Jeanne Kaplan. The Kaplans were seeking redress after a surgery was performed on Elliot Kaplan, which was later revealed to be unnecessary, as he did not have pancreatic cancer. Initially, the court dismissed the Kaplans' claims of medical malpractice, but decided to entertain the breach of contract claim. They argued that Mayo Clinic had not performed a biopsy before administering the surgery. However, the narrative changed when the Eighth Circuit Court of Appeals reversed the dismissal of the breach of contract claim. The Eighth Circuit's decision rested on the idea that a reasonable jury could see Mayo Clinic as being in breach of contract for neglecting to carry out the promised biopsy. Ultimately, the court ruled that Mayo Clinic had breached its contract to perform a biopsy on Kaplan. However, the court suspended judgment on the amount of damages to be awarded to Kaplan, allowing evidence of pain and suffering, but only in relation to his dismissed tort claims, not the contract claim. The case, therefore, remains a compelling example of contract law at the intersection of medical practice.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.